Hello friends, Professor Rao here. We were talking about life skills that enhances employability and life skills for career success. Today let's talk about employability and how life skills enhances employability. Life skills are your personality and behavioral traits that help somebody in interacting with other people in a friendly and harmonious manner. And employability is a concept of procuring an employment, retain an employment, get the career progression in the employment. 80% of the employability skills are all life skills. Industry constantly, the recruiters and HR constantly say that people with the required employability skills are in short supply in the job market. Employability is ability to gain employment, retain it, and progress in the employment. Your communication as part of life skills enhances employability. How? Communication is equivalent to human breathing. It is a process of sending a message from a sender to a receiver and getting a feedback from receiver to sender may be called communication. It is two types, verbal and non-verbal. It has four elements: listening, writing, reading, and speaking. Therefore, if you improve your communication, you can enhance employability so that you can articulate your thoughts, ideas. For instance, a student is brilliant in technical skills but lack communication skills. What will happen? What is the point? If he or she cannot articulate his ideas, thoughts, and projects to the panel during the critical day in the interview cabin, what will happen? It will be very problem. It will be a problematic scenario. Therefore, communication is very important to articulate your ideas and thoughts and your knowledge. Albert Einstein said that if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. So that communication means that you need to listen, write, read, and speak, especially write and speak in a very simple language. Communicating in simple terms is the most important and complex thing. A lot of people really may not be aware of that. We should not use jargon, Einstein has said. That second thing is teamworking. Teamwork is very important because as part of employability in the global organizations, you have to work as a team member. Team stands for TEAM. Team stands for Together Everyone Achieves More. Dr. Ken Blanchard has given the beautiful connotation of team. Team stands for Together Everyone Achieves More. Industry expects you to be a good world-class level 5 team player. Success in organization is defined by many such teams. Because we execute project as teams, we succeed as teams. Coming together is a beginning, working together is a success, what Henry Ford has said, you know that. There's an author called Patrick Lencioni. He wrote a book called Five Dysfunctions of a Team. In that book, he said that not finance, not strategy, not technology, is the teamwork that determines the success of an organization, nation, or civilization. Or not finance, not strategy, not technology. Leadership and time management, very critical. We discussed in the last module that leadership is critical. Leadership is not a position, it is a passion. To take responsibility, ownership, and commitment is a leadership. Is all about three words: taking responsibility, ownership, and commitment on the overall foundations of accountability. You need to be accountable. Very important. The whole world, especially our proud nation, India, looks for great such leaders. And as youngsters, you have the competence and capability to be a good leaders who can reshape the destiny of our country, and our country is awaiting the reshaping from you. So you are all the future leaders and future of our country. We need we There is a book called Not Bosses But Leaders, written by John Adair. Says that world has plenty of bosses and managers, but world requires a passionate leader. A leader is the one who knows the way, shows the way. Emotional intelligence is very critical. It's an important life skill that helps and enhances your employability. What is emotional intelligence? Understanding your emotions, the emotions of other people, and striking a balance in interpersonal skills and relationship in social gestures. Emotion, motion, emo, e, motion, energy plus motion, emotional intelligence is very critical. Thoughts plus feelings are your manifestations. Daniel Goleman said EQ is greater than IQ, emotional quotient is greater than intelligent quotient. Knowing the emotions of ourselves and emotions of others is all about emotional intelligence. It has four dimensions, friends. They are self-awareness, knowing about your own self, self-management, self-managing yourself with a tremendous discipline. And empathy, put yourself in the shoes of others and being empathetic. And 7 habits of highly effective people. Stephen Covey said, seek first to understand than to be understood. That. This briefly about it, friends, and thank you very much. Keep these 4 life skills in mind that enhances your overall employability.